solve the inequality graphically. Negative x plus 3 is less than or equal to 4x plus 13. As with the numerical example, I'm going to think of the left-hand side as my y1 and the right-hand side as my y2. But now I'm going to use the calculator to graph these equations. So let's clear up this old stuff and let's graph them. Negative x plus 3 is my y1, and 4x plus 13 is my y2. So I'm going to graph them, and I'm going to start in the standard window, negative 10 to 10 on each axis. So my window, negative 10, enter, 10, enter, 1, enter, negative 10, enter, 10, enter, 1, enter. So there's the graph. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of take a picture of this for a moment. Take that picture. Maybe we'll come back to that in just a moment. So now the y1 is y equals negative x plus 3. So it has a negative slope and a y-intercept of 3. This is the y1 line. And so then the y2 line now, we want the y1 since it's a less than, we want the y1 less than or equal to y2. Well, since y values are vertical values, we can think that we want the y1 below the y2. So I ask, on which side is the y1 below the y2? And maybe I can draw, move this y1 over here along the line. So if I sort of think of a boundary, here's a boundary. Where is the y1 below the y2? Well, is it here? Is the y1 below the y2 on the left-hand side of the boundary? No. Is the y1 below the y2 on the right-hand side of the boundary? Yes. But now what's that boundary value? Well, it looks like x equals negative 2. Now our calculator, of course, can find that point of intersection by using the Calculate menu in the fifth option, moving close to it and hitting Enter 3 times. It does occur when x is negative 2. So drag that down here. We'll hold on to that as well. All right, so we do see that they intersect when x is negative 2. All right, so then since the intersection is at x is negative 2, and we find that the y1 is below the y2 to the right of the boundary, our solutions then are to the right of the boundary. And so the solution of the inequality is x is greater than, and since it was an or equal to, we'll include the or equal to, x is greater than or equal to negative 2.